Want to know how to delete your files in Microsoft 365? So you can also delete your files if you had saved or uploaded it to OneDrive. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do it easily in just under a minute. So let's get right into it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your Microsoft 365 website and you should be right here on this interface. And now once you're right here, you can just simply see all of your files that should be located right here. And you should be under quick access by default. You can either see or browse through recent favorites, all of your files with types, etc. Now in order to delete a specific file, here I have this file with me right here. I can just simply hover on it, and here I can see this 3 dot icon which says more icons. I can just simply select that, and here I can see delete right here. I can just simply select that in order to delete it. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.